Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Woody Woodpecker cartoon. This one is going to be Well Oiled from 1947. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
Woody. Okay.
Oh, I went down south for to see myself in Wally Wally doodle all the day.
Okay, Woody.
Wally and the funky gal sing Wally Wally doodle all the day.
Hey, that's a good song.
Betty Ram, my fairy fairy. I'm going to leave Vienna for to see my cousin and sing Wally Wally doodle all the day.
Woody, you gotta watch the road. I get it, you were into your singing, but you gotta watch the road. Oh, Woody, well, at least that's a small tree, but it looks like, I mean, it did a lot of damage to the car. But I really liked his singing a lot. He was singing real good. Okay, Woody. Oh no, wait, what? Wait, I'm gonna go back. What just happened? Was there like a, okay. Okay. So there was a little open. Okay. So he just went through the tree, right? Okay. Because there was a little opening on the tree. Okay. Then it flattened him. Okay. Oh wow. What is that? Oh, it's an elevator. Okay. That's why I was like, what is that? Is that an elevator? It is. Wow. Okay, Woody. All right, that was good. That was a little shortcut. Oh, that's not good. That doesn't look good at all. Not like something's wrong with it. It's like check to see what's wrong, Woody. There's no gas. Wow.
Now, that's a fine howdy do.
That's a fine howdy do.
Uh-oh.
What is it? Reading the new funny magazine. Wait, I'm gonna go back. Oh, what is he gonna do? Is he gonna replace the cars? He's gonna siphon the gas from the car, isn't he? Wow. Okay, because he's like, I'm gonna go back a bit. Right, to see the billboard. That was cool. It was Andy Panda there, right? And Oswald Rabbit. Okay. Alright, that's cool. Oh, it's a police car. It's a police car, though. It says police.
No harm in buying a little gas.
Yeah, there is harm when it's a police car. They're not gonna. With his mouth, what? Okay, that cannot be safe. I mean, okay. All right, Woody. Where's the cop? He's right there. It's Wally. Oh, Wally Walrus is a police officer. Oh no. No, I mean, but to be fair to Woody, like you wouldn't know. It doesn't really look like a police car. The only reason I knew is because it says police on the license plate, right? But other than that, it really doesn't look like a police car. But yeah, you're gonna get in some trouble there. And then Wally already doesn't like you. He drank the gas! Woody! No! I get it, you were surprised, but come on! Oh no, this is not good. Oh, his eyes! Oh no, go back in there. Okay, good.
So, stealing gasoline, eh?
Yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean? Like you were caught red-handed. You drank the stuff. He's like, no, it wasn't me. I didn't do anything.
Oh, no? There, let me smell your breath.
Oh. There you go. There's a gas pump right there. So, there you go. Right, you can't even. Woody can't even hide it. I mean, he did it, right? He's oh no! You want to kill him?
Now, Once more.
Oh no! Oh! Well, that backfired on Wally Walrus there. Like, just stop it, Wally. Just, like, you know he did it. Like, come on. Oh, he ruined his... First his badge and then his hat. And isn't that... Like, wouldn't that be like assaulting a police officer? Because he pecked his head. I mean, I don't know. Oh, that cannot be good though, right? Oh, Woody. Okay, oh, he got a new hat. Good. Okay. Oh, Wally's gonna go through. Oh, I thought he was gonna fall off. Curves ahead. Straight ahead. Oh, that's hilarious. So the hand was real. It's like curves ahead. And Woody ruined those curves. Straight ahead. All right. That's a good thing he was there. 801 laundry. Oh, wow. Woody. You have the laundry behind you. Oh, Woody's not going to stop. He's just get out of the way, sir. Get out of the way. Woody, sir. I warned you. Like, I knew Woody was not going to stop. Just, you were better off getting out of the way, sir. All right. Okay. The Wayside Cafe eats gas oil. Okay, hot dogs and two-car. That's a two-car garage. Okay. Two-car garage, right? Woody!
Say, Grandpa, would you put some water in my automobile?
Woody, that's a pretty good disguise. I'll give him that. He could definitely pass as like an older man, right? I'll give him that. That's a pretty good disguise. It's just hilarious seeing him like that. All right, is that okay? Is that gas? I hope that's not water. No, I think it was gas. Oh no! No, that's too much. You're gonna fit. Oh no, that was water. That's water. The fish is where the fish is come from. You leave Wally alone. You guys stop it. I don't know what happened. Oh no, this is not good. The auto laundry. Wally, like, you should have suspected something. Like, the moment he flooded your car, you should have suspected it was Woody. Like, come on, Wally, just stop it. Oh no. Oh, Woody, you're gonna be in some trouble. I don't know what happened. What are you gonna do? Poor Wally, he's flattened. Put some air in him. There you go. There you go. That's a great idea, Woody. It was like, what did I do with him? Put some air in him. Don't overfill him now. He's gonna pop. Okay.
So it's you, the maniac.
You're the maniac.
Insult!
That is an insult. Where did you get that from? Where did he get that huge glove from? It's bigger than him. Oh, it's like, so you are the maniac. I mean, yeah, to be fair, like, why you didn't have to call him a maniac? But, I mean, do you blame him, Woody? You were acting like a maniac. I mean, that is an insult. Choose your weapon. Grease guns. They're gonna have a duel.
1, 2, 3.
Wally, why would you ever trust Woody? He's behind you. Oh, he kicked him. Oh, oh no, that cannot be good. Oh, that Woody. Right, that couldn't be good. He had grease coming out of his ears. And then he greased his face. Oh, that Woody, just stop it. It's like he has no respect for Wally Walrus. Oh, what, Woody? Why'd you go in there? He knows you're in there. Oh, what? What? Like how? It has teeth and a tongue. I didn't see that when Woody went in there. How did he get out so fast? Oh, that Woody. Grease to the face. Oh, Wally, just stop it. Just stop it. Wally, you're gonna go crazy with Woody. Oh! He made him slip. He made him slip. Oh! He actually got him. He actually got him. Oh, no, no, you didn't, Wally. Wow. Oh, no. Where did you get that from? Wow, he's shooting oil cans at him. Or oil. Oil. Okay, I honestly thought he was shooting the cans at him. It was the oil from the cans. Oh, no, don't. Oh, I guess he's just testing it out. But, okay, okay. Oh. Oh, Woody. Now, how did Woody get here? Just stop it. Just stop it. Oh, that Woody. All right. Right. And I love how Wally, first he put his hat out there, right, to check if the coast was clear. And, all right, but I still didn't think he should have put his head out there, but it's okay. Woody's right there with you. Oh! I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back because out of the grease gun, right, it came out of like a hand, right? It was pushing the grease. Oh, Woody! Oh, again! He got you again. The same thing he did before. He did now. The grease rag. Oh no! Oh, Wally got you! Wally got you! Wow! He got you now! He got you now! Oh, Wally, but just stop it! Don't tighten that too much. But Wally has you now, so Wally has the advantage now. Wow! Okay, I didn't think Wally was ever gonna get him. He got him. All right. He's gonna. He made Wally Walrus go crazy. Woody didn't like that. Now you see how it feels, Woody. He even did your laugh. He did your laugh, and he put grease on your face. Wow. All right, Wally. Oh, this was awesome. I loved it for sure. I loved it when they had I love the fact that they had Wally do Woody's laugh. That was awesome. That was real cool. Yeah, no complaints with this. This one was so good, so funny. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.